Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your PlayStation Plus plan on your PS5 Pro. So to do this, let's go up to the top, go to Settings, scroll on down to Users and Accounts, then go to Accounts and wait for this to load, and then go to the right and go to Payment and Subscriptions, manage your payment methods and subscriptions. Then go down to Subscriptions, then go to PlayStation Plus. Now you have the option to buy again, change plan, or reactivate or cancel the subscription right here. And you can see auto renew is turned off because it has an expiration date now and not next payment date. So we can go to change plan now and we can look at the different versions. We have essentials, extra, and premium. So you can look at what you're getting for premium. You get classic catalog, game trials, cloud streaming, and game catalog, which I don't have for the essentials. And it looks like Ubisoft classics. And I don't play any Ubisoft games anymore, so I think I'm good there. Only one I think I have is Rainbow Six Siege, which is, it's a fun game. So you can look at it if you want to upgrade it. And right now, during holidays, you usually have some sort of like a deal where it's like 30% off. So definitely worth it for Christmas or Thanksgiving to, just buy PlayStation Plus during those times. So you can see it's 30% off right now. So what is that going to make the 160 payments for 12 months on sale? I think it's like like 110, 115 bucks or something like that. So definitely worth it if you want to upgrade. And it'll show you the prorated rate now to upgrade. So it's only $61 for me to upgrade to premium. And it looks like extra is 25% off. Essentials might be like 20% off right now. I just bought it right now, so I should probably know, but it's like 62 bucks compared to 80. So definitely worth it. Check out those deals and upgrade if you want. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.